friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. What's going in the Vechain crypto? What's the price change? What's the high price? And what is the current status of Vechain and the cryptocurrencies markets? I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's get started the video. First of all, we look the price prediction. After that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell, or hold. As you can see here, it is a surprise video for all Vechain holders. As you can see here is your surprise. As you can see here, now currently they start a high explosion. So first of all, congrats to all Vechain holders. As you can see here, the average change occur in the Vechain in the previous last 1 hour is negative 0.4% change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 hour. If we look the previous hours, they continuously falls down. That is why the change is negative, but soon they aren't positive. Don't worry about the change. And the high price of Vechain is about $0.114143 is the high price of Vechain in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's going in the last 2 hour? After that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell, or hold Vechain crypto. As you can see here, it's a frequently change occur in the Vechain crypto. As you can see here, they take a jump and falls down, take a jump and falls down, and now currently they are again start an explosion. So friends, if we look, the average change occur in the last 2 hours is about negative 1.24% because they falls more than the jump. As you can see here, that's really a high falls occur in a Vechain. So negative 1.24% change occur in the Filecoin, and the high price, Vechain, that will make me mad because the Cardano and the Steeler XLM will falls down, and which I also hold the XLM and Cardano. That's why my brain is not working completely. As you can see here, the high price occurred in the last 2 hours is about $0.114579 is the high price of Vechain in the previous last 2 hours, friends. That is last 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 day result. What's going in a Vechain crypto in a market and the last 1 day. Let's see the last 1 day change. As you can see here, absolutely a good news for all Vechain holders. They are growing up, they are moving upward, as you can see here. And I'm also a holder XLM and Cardano, and they are continuously falling down, friends. They are continuously falling. I have a many loss. I lost many dollars at this last day because Cardano falls down, XLM falls down. But one of the unique my crypto, my coin Vechain are jumping upward. That will make me millionaire soon, so wait for it. They will also make you millionaire. As you can see here, the change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 day as about positive 1.04% change occur in a Vechain in the last 1 day, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.116623 is the high price of Vechain. So friends, that is live price prediction you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. My suggestion for all of Vechain holders, please hold your Vechain crypto with the last half this month. The big explosion are coming soon, so please wait for it. And also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, share your opinion about Vechain in the comment box.